A DeSoto County judge has ruled an assistant district attorney to be in contempt of court and has sentenced him to jail time. ADA Andrew Wilcutt has been ordered to serve 2 days in jail and pay a $100 fine. In an order obtained by Your News Leader, the judge expresses her frustrations, and tonight we've learned the charges against the defendant at the center of this case have been dismissed. A 3-page order of direct criminal contempt laid out by DeSoto County Judge Celeste Wilson, where she says Assistant DeSoto County District Attorney Andrew Wilcutt has made no progress presenting a case to a grand jury at a bind-over review hearing September 26th. The judge said she found this unacceptable, writing, Wilcutt said in a court appearance the month before that case file and victim cooperation issues would be addressed in advance of the hearing. The case was continued 4 more days to September 30th when an interpreter would be available. WREG uncovered the original attempted murder charge against the defendant at the center of this issue has been dismissed shortly after we began asking questions about this case and 2 days after the order of contempt was filed. But DeSoto County District Attorney Matthew Barton says it's because the victim could not be located despite law enforcement's diligent efforts, going on to say the dismissal will clear the way for ICE to deport him. Records show that defendant was arrested December 24th, 2023. That date looks to be part of why the ADA was ordered in contempt. The judge writing, such failure by ADA Wilcutt to advance prosecution in this matter was made all the more egregious in light of the serious nature of the pending allegations and the fact that the defendant had remained incarcerated since December 24th, 2023, or 278 days, at a great expense to both the defendant's liberty interests and the taxpayers' financial interests. The judge acknowledged Wilcutt told her he would not be at the September 30th hearing due to a planned conference, but she writes she warned him he would not be excused. Instead of Wilcutt attending, DA Barton attended. The judge ordered Wilcutt in contempt of court for his willful and deliberate disobedience of the court's order, which has lessened the dignity and authority of the court and has interfered with the dignified conduct of the court's business. The judge also wrote, the court did not arrive at this decision lightly and finds such outcome regrettable, going on to say in part, in the undersigned over 15 years serving as a judicial officer for the state of Mississippi, she has never been confronted with such an affront to the court's authority as it has been exhibited repeatedly by ADA Wilcutt. In a statement, the DeSoto County DA acknowledged Wilcutt was on assignment for his office and defended him, saying they will contest the matter and, quote, I stand with my ADA who has done an exceptional job, including winning a hotly contested attempted murder and armed robbery trial last week, along with securing more felony convictions this year than anyone in our district and potentially the state, including 26 in his last court date. And back in June, another DeSoto County Assistant District Attorney was in hot water. Thomas Waller resigned after a judge said he appeared drunk in court. He was arrested and ordered to jail for 11 days, with all but 8 hours suspended.